ATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a little bit of rain today across Acadiana. It was wetter to the west, and we've all been desperate for the rainfall, but it's been a very interesting last 4 months. I calculated taking a look at the October numbers, and we were one of the driest Octobers on record over 120 years. But check this out. Over the last 4 months, you go back to July and August, we had the third wettest 2 months on record, over 23.74 inches in both of those months, and that's just in Lafayette. Some spots did even better. And again, this is going back to 1893, so nearly 130 years of record, 129 years of record. Then that was followed by September, October, where we had the second driest September and October on record, 1.69 inches of rain. The record was set back down during the Dust Bowl years in the 1920s and 30s. So some big swings, and this is what we would expect in an amplified climate pattern. It's either when it's dry, it's really dry and longer. When it's wet, it's really wet and it lasts longer. So let's get to the weather and talk about what's going on right now as we take a look at the upper level pattern. We have weakening low pressure in the nation's midsection. That's what kind of sparked our little disturbance that came on in. High pressure is going to be replacing that, and then we get back to the Pacific Northwest, and we do have an upper level system here that's rolling down to the south and east, and eventually is going to produce some big snows across portions of the Rockies. Winter storm watches and winter storm warnings already flying in the high country of the west. Meanwhile, we get into Lafayette and Acadiana and Louisiana. We see plenty of light rain across the area and moderate in some spots as we put things in motion. You'll see those showers pushing off generally off to the east northeast. Few spotty showers offshore as well. Power Doppler 3 indicating most of the shower activities cleared out of Lafayette. We've had spotty light rain, still some sprinkles out there with some down along the coast, but the most moderate rains have been across Allen Parish and then across Evangeline Parish. Some nice downpours up here towards Chico, Turkey Creek, some much welcome rains, and that also continues as we get into Avoyelles Parish as well. So some beneficial rains for some, others not a whole lot. You can see in Lafayette we're just getting a little ground clutter, maybe a few sprinkles out there. That's about it. Maybe enough to make the windshield wiper go every minute or two, but that's about it. So as we open it on up, look at the enhanced imagery. We see our weather system moving out. We have two tropical storms, both bucking to become a hurricane. Tropical storm Martin should become a hurricane later tomorrow night, but then it's going to be moving into cooler waters. This thing is going to be a whopper of a system, kind of like what you had with the perfect storm back in 1993. There's going to be a big system in the North Atlantic, so mariners beware. Then Lisa is intensifying tonight. It's very close to becoming a hurricane, and just as it gets close to hitting land, 70-mile-per-hour winds. It's going to be just brushing by Roatan here, just north of Honduras. Roatan is part of Honduras, a northern island, and then hurricane warnings in effect for Belize as well. Up to an 85-mile-per-hour storm, may get up to 90 or so. It's going through an intensification cycle, so we'll pray that it's not too bad for our friends down there. And then the storm gets into Mexico and then kind of loops around, comes back down to the south, but not expecting this to do much once it's done in Central America and portions of Mexico. For us, cloud cover gradually thinning. We might see a mostly cloudy start to the day, but I think we see a sun and cloud mix, although the graph model is awfully pessimistic on the sunshine, but we'll see how that plays out. Bottom line, we do see a couple of nice days ahead overall in spite of the cloud cover, and going into Friday much the same. Clouds increasing though Friday, out ahead of our next weather maker, and this is the weather maker that'll be pushing on through Saturday. Timing still up in the air, but we could get some locally heavy rainfall of a couple of inches out of that system down the line, so we'll be watching that one closely. So 60 the low overnight tonight as skies slowly clear out late tonight. The showers end probably after about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and then for tomorrow, back to a sun and cloud mix, seasonably warm temperatures pushing 80 for a high. Shower possible 2 or 2 near the coast. That's why we're seeing the rain right here, because we're looking from the south, but overall it should be a pretty nice day ahead. 84 on Thursday, 82 on Friday, then this weekend 80% on the rain chances. Too early to tell whether it's going to be morning, afternoon, or night. Right now we're leaning toward midday on Saturday, might last into Saturday night because the front stalls, and thus some lingering rain chances as we go into standard time on Sunday. But the good news is this weekend, instead of 48 hours, we
Yeah.
get 49.
A bit longer, a little bit,
Right.
bit of a bonus there.
Yeah,
Okay, thanks,
right.
Rob.